This is a cold start of my 1998 Ford Transit with a 2.5 litre DI engine, the old banana engine as it's also known. It's very cold out here, as you can see, it's snowing, and I've got a little temperature gauge here, and that's reading 0 degrees, so let's see how she starts. Okay, so I'm going to be recording this cold start from 3 different perspectives. From the front here, so I'm just going to start that recording. From the exhaust pipe. Haven't got the seats in here at the moment because I've been painting the floor and sorting out some rust problems. If you're interested in any of the other work I've been doing on the van, check out my channel. I've got loads of videos on there. So here it goes. A bit lumpy to start with. I think it's firing on 3 cylinders. It soon sorts itself out. I've still got to do the leak off mod, so hopefully that might sort it out.